Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will explore the fascinating world of hops, an essential ingredient in the process of creating one of the most beloved beverages worldwide, beer. From cultivation and harvesting to production, the journey of hops will be detailed in this video, providing you with a deep insight into how each glass of beer is made and reaches the consumer. Hops, or Humulus lupulus, may not be as well known as other key ingredients like barley, but its role in beer production is indispensable. Hops provide the bitterness that balances the sweetness of the malt, add unique aromas to each type of beer, and act as a natural preservative. Let's begin by exploring how this plant is cultivated. Unlike many other crops, hops are propagated from roots or rhizomes. Farmers can choose between cutting the rhizomes or using leaf cuttings. Hops rhizomes are typically harvested by digging them up at the end of winter, after the plants have gone dormant. In the spring, hundreds of workers gather in the empty fields to collect rhizomes, preparing for the new growing season. Another method is using leaf cuttings or young hops, which are grown in greenhouses during the off-season. Since they have already started growing, these seedlings are often planted later than the rhizomes. Hops are climbing plants that require a lot of space and specific growing conditions. To prepare for planting, farmers first create a system of hanging ropes for the plants to climb. Hops can grow to over 6 meters tall, so a sturdy support structure is essential. The ropes are connected to the ground where the seedlings are planted. One of the most famous hop-growing regions is Hallertau, Germany, where hop cultivation was first recorded in 736 AD. Since then, hops have become an indispensable ingredient in beer production, helping to improve both the flavor and shelf life of beer. At the end of summer, hops begin to bloom, signaling that the harvest season has arrived. The best way to determine the right time to harvest hops is based on their distinctive aroma. The flowers emit a strong, unmistakable scent, and combined with their size and texture, farmers can decide when to begin harvesting. Once the hops have reached their peak ripeness, the harvesting process officially begins. This is a critical stage because the quality of the hops after harvest will directly impact the flavor and quality of the beer. Today, the most common method of harvesting is using a bottom cutter and a top cutter. First, a tractor moves along each row of hops, cutting the plant's base close to the ground. Next, the top cutter trims the plant from the top of the trellis. Each hop plant then falls and is collected into specialized trucks to be transported to the harvester. The equipment must operate with high precision to protect the delicate hop cones, as they contain lupulin glands which are crucial for their essential oils and alpha acids, the two components that determine the bitterness and unique flavors of beer. At the processing plant, the hop cones are gently separated from the vines in an automated process to ensure the maximum number of hops are harvested while preserving their integrity. After being separated from the vines, the hops are carried along conveyor belts and fed into advanced sorting systems. This sorting process removes impurities and any hops that do not meet quality standards, while the high-quality hop cones continue along the conveyor to the drying kilns. Here they are spread evenly across drying beds, with dry air heated between 120 and 150 degrees Fahrenheit blowing through the beds. The drying process aims to reduce the moisture content of the hop cones to improve their long-term storage capability. When freshly harvested, hops contain about 75% moisture, but to maintain quality during storage, they need to be dried to a moisture level of around 9 to 10%. After drying, hops are typically pressed into pellets or ground into powder, depending on the brewery's needs. Let's explore the beer-making process. It begins with crushing malted barley to extract maximum sugars and necessary enzymes. The result is crushed malt, the core ingredient that creates wort, a solution that will gradually transform into beer through subsequent steps. The crushed malt is combined with hot water during the mashing process, where the mixture is heated to an optimal level to convert starches into fermentable sugars. This process produces wort, a sweet solution that forms the foundation for beer fermentation. After mashing, the wort is filtered to remove solid malt particles, leaving only the liquid. Next, the wort is boiled, and this is when hops are added. Hops not only provide a balanced bitterness but also impart the distinct aroma of the beer. Depending on the beer type, hops can be added at different stages of the boil to create rich and unique flavor layers in the final product. Once the wort has been boiled and hops have been added, it is quickly cooled and transferred to fermentation tanks. Here, the yeast begins converting sugars into alcohol. After fermentation is complete, the beer is aged for several weeks to months, allowing the flavors to become richer and the beer to clarify, making it ready for bottling before being released to the market and enjoyed by beer lovers all around the world. Thank you for watching the video. We hope this gave you a deeper insight into the beer production process and the vital role of hops. Don't forget to leave a comment below about what you found most interesting in the video, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Make sure to like, share the video to support the channel, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any exciting content coming up. See you in the next video. Hello and welcome to the Sprout Garden channel. Today we take you on an exciting journey through one of Thailand's most remarkable agricultural ventures, the coconut farm. Thailand, renowned for its diverse agricultural sector, produces a wide range of fruits, vegetables, and peppers. Among these, one of the most significant cash crops is the coconut. In 2023 alone, Thailand produced nearly 700 million metric tons of this tropical fruit, underscoring its importance to the country's economy and culture. Our visit begins with an overview of the sprawling coconut plantations. These farms, which can range from small family-run plots to vast estates covering hundreds of acres, are a testament to Thailand's agricultural prowess. The coconut palm trees, native to this tropical region, thrive here, creating a lush green landscape as far as the eye can see. However, managing a coconut farm is no easy task. It requires meticulous planning, hard work, and a deep understanding of agricultural practices. The journey begins with the cultivation of coconut palms, which are native to the tropical climate of Thailand. These towering trees can grow up to 30 meters tall and are a common sight across the country's agricultural landscapes. The cultivation process starts with planting coconut seeds, which are carefully selected to ensure high-quality yields. Farmers often choose sprouted seeds from healthy parent trees to maintain the genetic integrity and productivity of their crops. One of the first things we notice is the innovative use of canal systems throughout the plantations. These canals serve multiple purposes. Primarily, they make watering the trees more efficient, ensuring that each palm receives the necessary hydration to produce healthy coconuts. Additionally, the canals allow for navigation by boat, which significantly reduces the time and effort required to move around the plantation. This method of transportation is particularly useful during the harvest season. Coconut palms take several years to mature and start producing fruit, but their lifespan can extend up to 60 to 80 years, making them a long-term investment for farmers. The continuous flowering cycle of coconut palms allows for year-round harvesting, ensuring a steady supply of coconuts throughout the year. This unique characteristic is particularly advantageous for farmers, as it provides a consistent income and reduces the risks associated with seasonal farming. Running a coconut farm is no easy task. It requires meticulous planning, hard work, and innovative techniques to maximize productivity and sustainability. Many coconut plantations in Thailand range from small family-run farms to vast estates covering hundreds of acres. These larger plantations often utilize advanced agricultural technologies to enhance efficiency and reduce labor costs. The harvesting process is a critical phase in coconut farming. It involves a combination of skill, precision, and careful timing. During the harvest, workers meticulously inspect the coconuts to determine which ones are ripe and ready for picking. This inspection is crucial, as harvesting coconuts at the right stage of maturity ensures optimal quality and flavor. Using long poles, workers gently dislodge the ripe coconut bunches from the trees, allowing them to fall directly into the water-filled canals below. This method minimizes damage to the coconuts and facilitates easy collection. Once in the water, the coconuts are tied together into long bunches, making it easier to float them around the plantation. After harvesting, the coconuts are transported to processing facilities, where they undergo various stages of preparation depending on their intended use. The processing phase involves peeling, packaging, and sorting the coconuts for different markets. Many modern coconut farms in Thailand utilize machinery to streamline these processes and reduce manual labor. Peeling coconuts, for instance, is a time-intensive job that requires precision and care. To expedite this process, some farms use specialized peeling machines that significantly cut down on labor costs and increase efficiency. The peeled coconuts are then sorted based on size and quality, ready to be packaged and shipped to various destinations. Coconuts are often referred to as a miracle fruit due to their versatility and numerous applications. From coconut water and oil to candy, milk, and charcoal, the range of products derived from coconuts is impressive. Whole coconuts, fresh off the trees, are also a popular commodity across Southeast Asia. They are valued for their refreshing water and delicious meat, often sold at local markets and roadside stands. In addition to their use in food and beverages, coconuts are also processed into various industrial products. Coconut oil, for example, is a key ingredient in cosmetics, soaps, and hair care products. Coconut shells are used to produce activated charcoal, which has applications in water purification and air filtration. This wide range of uses makes coconuts a highly valuable crop for Thai farmers. While a significant portion of Thailand's coconut production is consumed domestically, a substantial amount is also exported to international markets. Major export destinations include the United States, India, and various countries in Europe. The global demand for Thai coconuts is driven by their high quality and the country's reputation as a reliable supplier. Exporting coconuts involves a complex logistics process to ensure that the products reach their destinations in optimal condition. This includes careful packaging to prevent damage during transit, as well as compliance with international food safety standards. Thai coconut exporters work closely with shipping companies and regulatory agencies to maintain the quality and integrity of their products throughout the supply chain. Coconuts are not just an economic commodity in Thailand. They hold significant cultural and culinary importance. They are a staple ingredient in many traditional Thai dishes, from savory curries to sweet desserts. Coconut milk, extracted from the grated meat, is a key component of popular Thai recipes, such as tom kha gai, coconut soup, and various types of curries. In addition to their culinary uses, coconuts play a role in Thai cultural practices and rituals. They are often used in religious ceremonies and festivals, symbolizing purity and prosperity. The widespread use of coconuts in both everyday life and special occasions highlights their integral role in Thai society. Many coconut farms in Thailand are family-run enterprises, with generations of farmers working together to sustain their livelihoods. These family farms are often close-knit communities where everyone, from young children to elderly members, contributes to the farming activities. This sense of community and shared responsibility fosters a strong work ethic and deep-rooted knowledge of coconut cultivation. Family members typically have specific roles in the farming process, from inspecting and harvesting coconuts to peeling and packaging them for sale. This collaborative approach not only ensures the smooth operation of the farm, but also preserves traditional farming knowledge and practices. Despite the numerous benefits and opportunities associated with coconut farming, Thai farmers face several challenges. These include climate change, pests, and fluctuating market prices. Adapting to these challenges requires continuous innovation and investment in sustainable farming practices. Looking ahead, the future of Thailand's coconut industry appears promising. With the global demand for coconut products on the rise, Thai farmers are well positioned to capitalize on this trend. Ongoing research and development efforts aim to improve crop yields, enhance pest resistance, and develop new products, further strengthening the industry's competitiveness on the global stage. Our journey through the coconut farm has given us a deep appreciation for the hard work and dedication that goes into every coconut harvested. From the meticulous care of the trees to the innovative use of canals for transportation, every aspect of the farming process is designed to maximize efficiency and sustainability. The family's involvement in every step, from planting to selling, highlights the communal and cultural significance of coconut farming in Thailand. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through Thailand's coconut farms. We hope you enjoyed this inside look at the world of coconut farming. Don't forget to subscribe to the Sprout Garden channel for more exciting content, and join us next time as we explore more amazing aspects of agriculture around the world. See you next time.